the Morphe Hot Shot, the blush drops in Power Drip. These I may keep for myself. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just got my Ipsy Mega Drop Shop order in, and as you can see by the thumbnail, you guys, this is a huge order. I don't generally share these because I kind of buy them for the sole purpose of replenishing my resale group over on Facebook. That's always linked down below as well if you are in the US and you wanted to join. So we have a lot to get through. I will go through this very, very quickly. I did pick up a few pieces for myself. And then I also like to shop with the Ipsy add-ons, the Mega Drop Shop, things like that, to put away gifts for giveaways, for gifting, for holidays, birthdays, things like that. And I feel like it is a great bang for your buck. So I'm going to shut my mouth and we're going to dive in. First up, I got the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation, and this is in Deep 1. It's just a little mini. And I like to have several variations of shades. And I like to have several shades and stuff like that if I'm offering kind of complexion product and stuff like that. Next up, this is the Fresh Phase Primer from Ace Beauty. That packaging, you guys, is so freaking cute. Next up, from Gold Faden MD, we got the Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. I got the YC Collection 3-piece brush set. And y'all already know I'm somebody that believes you can never have too many brushes. Is that true? I don't know, but I feel like it is. Next up is the Morphe Hot Shot, the blush drops in Power Drip. These I may keep for myself. They just sound really, really nice, and it's a shade that I know I would love specifically for like spring and summer. Next up, also for the group, and because I already know and love it, I'm almost done with one, and I already purchased it for myself. This is the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Serum Skin Tint Stick in TN3 Oak. If you have not tried this, I would say specifically if you have drier skin, oh my gosh, it is fantastic. Next up, I got the Terre de Mar, the Celeste Lip Balm. I picked up the Beauty Bible by Carly Bible, the lip gloss in Dana. I thought that was so pretty. That I might also keep for me. We'll see. This little box got messed up on, but no worries, no worries. This is the Neen Lined Up Lip Liner Duo. There are two of them in here, in Crosby and Orchard. Next up, I got the e.l.f. the Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen in the Clear. This is actually what I have on my lips, or what I had at the start of my other video, and this is really nice. Next up is the Frank Body Lip Gloss. This is the Shimmer Lip Gloss. Next up is the Skin & Co. the Rosemary and Verbena Hand Cream. I picked up the Dito Lip Nourish Overnight Lip Mask. I picked up a couple of the Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealers in different shades. I got the Feel Retinol Body Milk with retinol. Helps firm skin, treats body breakouts, and deeply moisturizes the skin. That's actually a pretty good size too. Next up, I got the Beauty Creations, the Ultra Dazzle Gloss in the shade Royalty. I picked up the Blink Tubing Brow Juice. I got the Tarte Amazonian Clay 16-hour full coverage in Deep Sand. I grabbed the Girlactic 2-in-1 Luminous Tinted Foundation. This is in the shade Tan. I got the Lip Carver Lip Pencil from Lava in the shade Truffle. I grabbed the Beauty Creations Plump and Pout Lip Plumping Booster in the shade Blaze. I grabbed the Girlactic The Essential palette. I picked up the I Do Care In the Zone Pore Tightening Tea Tree Mask. Next up is the Bisha, the Essential Finishing Mist. And it's just like a mini like setting spray. The packaging and stuff is so cute. Next up, I got the Mayel, the Strawberry Kiss Sugar Scrub for the body. That also sounds incredible. For myself, because I loved the other shade that I got, but it already was like the right shade for me now. So I wanted something to like take me into summer months. This is the Makeup by Mario, the Surreal Skin Foundation, and I opted for 13W. I think I had 11N prior, and I absolutely love this foundation, you guys. It is so incredibly beautiful. It looks stunning on the skin. I was trying to get it open, but it has a sticker, and I'm not trying to break my nails to try to get that open, y'all. Next up is the Seraphine Botanicals Tea and Rose Streak Free Satin Blush. And I thought that this just looked so pretty, and this is a full-size blush. How pretty is that, you guys? I also picked up a mini of the Seraphine Botanicals, the Diamantine Beaming Highlighter. I got the First Aid Beauty or Fab, the Ultra Repair Body Lotion. I picked up the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation in the shade Light 240W. I may test this out if their light tends to run a little bit kind of, you know, deeper or whatever. If not, it'll obviously go into the group. Next up is the Skin & Co. Truffle, the Black Truffle Whipped Polishing Body Cream. This is also, I think, for me, because it sounds amazing. This is the Kosas, the Hyaluronic Lip Balm in the shade Pulse, which is a warm, toasty spice, and that just sounds something, and that just sounds amazing and something right up my alley. I also picked up the Moon Slice Beauty Blushing Moon Blush Palette. I picked up the Alamar Cosmetics and Cheetos, the Feline Fine Eyeshadow Palette. I got another of the Plump and Pout in the shade Pink Lemonade. I grabbed a Alamar Cosmetics palette. And these sell pretty good in my group. I also kept the one that I got in my Ipsy bag and stuff like that. You guys, this is so underrated. I never hear anybody talk about it, and it is phenomenal. So if you do see this, and I know a couple of you did pick it up this time in this sale, if you see it, grab it. It's great. I also got the Violet Voss Disco Drip eyeshadow palette. I got a cute little LaRouche little puff sponge. I got the Saint Jane, the Rich Rescue Phytomucin Cream, visibly smooths fine lines for plump, glassy skin. And I think that is also a full size. I like that packaging and stuff too. And it is in, kind of like how Summer Fridays has like the metal tubing and stuff like that. It's in that kind of a package. And then last but not least, this is either for myself or for my group because I already have that. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this for myself or not. This is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow, the 3Y50. I was not as much of a fan of the Glow version as the regular version, but I did want to pick it up just in case maybe my thoughts had changed or anything. And I also thought I could maybe compare this based on like the glow aspect of this to like the Makeup by Mario. So we shall see. TBD, I don't really know yet, y'all. That is my huge Ipsy Mega Drop Shop haul. I know a couple of you also went a little bit crazy in the sale this time around. I'd also like to know what you guys got. Did you pick up anything? I feel like that's an amazing perk of having an Ipsy subscription, doing the add-ons and stuff like that, being able to go in and shop like the Mega Drop Shops and stuff like that. I mean, I think it's a fantastic, fantastic value. Specifically for somebody like me because of kind of what I do. I can do, you know, giveaways, replenish things for giveaways, to gift to friends and family, and to replenish things and to, you know, have stock for my resale group. But that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining me. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype this video. You can turn on the notifications so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.